When we see a majority of electronic devices that are made today, most of them have features that are so tiny they're about 1,000 times smaller than the diameter of a strand of hair. Have you ever wondered how people are able to define these features so small? It's kind of like using stencils but with light and polymers. This process is called photolithography. First, we start with something called a photomask, which is essentially like a master stencil, and this is made using a high precision laser writing tool. We take a silicon wafer and deposit something called a photoresist or a light sensitive polymer on top of it. Next, this photoresist is exposed to high power UV light using the photomask as a master stencil. Depending on the type of photoresist, you have different parts of this layer harden, either the part that's exposed to the light or the part that's protected from it. The region of the photoresist that hasn't hardened is then washed away using something called a developer. So now on the silicon wafer, we have two kinds of regions, one protected by the photoresist and one that's exposed. The exposed region is then either etched away or a different material is deposited on it, and this process repeats over multiple layers, creating stacks of extremely tiny features. This process can be used to define features as small as a few hundred nanometers, which is about 1,000 times smaller than the diameter of a hair strand. Let me know if you're curious to learn about how features even smaller, like tens of nanometers small, are defined.